What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Graham. San Miguel ties it. And a lot of heroes from the Beermen who were able to make up for that game one. Kinalimutan na natin lahat. I'm sure everybody has forgotten about it. It's a new slate.
Not me.
Uh, not you. Pero we wanna give credits to... I wanna give credits to Don Troliano. 10 for 16, 22 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist. In a day wherein ano tawag dito? More of it's really the guys outside Junmar. It really helped out. It's a equal contribution. Even Jeron Teng showed out. In 10 minutes, he had 10 points. Naging
Mhm.
King Archer to si Jeron Teng. Naalala natin na kung bakit siya na-draft sa PBA. Like, oh yeah, he was the King Archer back in Lasal. And yung mga plays na ginagawa niya sa laro na to was reminiscent of how he played back with the Green Archers. More, no? Moto Tua. Actually, Graham, would you believe, had the most field goal attempts. He was 7 for 17. He's really aggressive. 16 points, 4 rebounds. He was the most aggressive pero ayaw niya mag-dunk. Mukhang we're not gonna see a Motow to a
No.
dunk anymore.
No.
Ano tayo eh, naka Motow to a dunk watch tayo eh, di ba? Nagko-comment tayo sa JC Ratter. Hindi mo ayaw mag-dunk ni Mo.
Like Ja Morant, man. Yeah, sabi niya, not gonna dunk anymore.
Ja Morant
Ja
still, I think did one more did one more dunk after saying that announcement. So we might see an over under of one dunk for Mota Tua in this remaining 6 games in this
Five.
remaining 5 games, no. And CJ Perez subpar game, 4 for 15. Nabuhat siya dito ng mga teammates niya. I mean, this is not to knock on CJ Perez
Mm-hmm.
pero the stats speak for themselves, guys, if you check his stats. 8 points, 9 rebounds, 4
Yeah.
for 15, 0 for 2 from 3-point attempts and 0 for 1 from the 4. But man, uh just to what do you call this, summarize more on the heroes for San Miguel. Chris Ross, 7 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists, 4 steals,
Yikes.
32 minutes. We're gonna talk about Huami Chongson later on what it looks like for the
I wish
next 5
Mario was
games.
here.
Oh, that's why I wanted him here. Kasi ito yung perfect red carpet para kay Mario. But yeah, and then Junmar had 17 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists, the GOAT in 32 minutes. That is what you expect from Junmar. You expect more definitely as the GOAT, pero again, wag natin kalimutan that this guy's injured.
Yeah.
But the depth of the San Miguel bench is what we talked about in our finals preview, Graham, and it held true today.
That is correct. I was about to go there. When we
Mm,
talked about the bench, we said it's like 70-30 in favor of San Miguel.
yes.
I mean, it looks like it's more lopsided, to be honest with you, with especially when Chris Ross came off the bench in game one. Diba? Now he started. But it didn't actually change a lot of things because Wami Chongson, which we'll get to later, is almost unplayable at this moment.
Which we'll get to
Uh,
later.
yeah, we will. We'll have a moment. And Mario
Yeah, 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 yeah.
may come in, diba? Hopefully, he'll catch the party. But all I'm saying, man, is if you can get uh you know 10 points from Jeron Teng, you can get uh 6 points from Brundial, di ba? Who also gave quality minutes, about 12 minutes in this game. And then you get the usual numbers from your stars. Trojano didn't start, di ba?
Yeah,
Yo,
off the bench.
Trojano
Siya yung
off the
super
bench,
six man nila.
22. It's like, it's a cheat code, bro. Alam mo yung sa slam dunk, para siyang si Fujima
Man,
dun
leading
sa
scorer namin
Shoyo.
sa NLEX yan before we traded
Yeah.
for Bolik. He was the guy. He was the NLEX Road Warriors.
Would you rather have him than Bolik right now?
No,
No.
no, no, we still have Bolik. I mean,
Okay,
that's
gotcha.
a debate. That is if you're gonna ano tawag dito? Rage bait yan, Greg. A bit of a rage bait. Pero pag-iisipan mo siya. Pag-iisipan
Yeah,
mo siya ng
I know.
onte, maybe 10 seconds, and then you're like, oh, yeah, yeah. Bolik is
10
way
seconds?
better in all the other, in all the other, Don cannot play make. Si Bolik kasi, I think we're all too focused on his scoring, no, on how much time he takes sometimes. Like, yes, that is infuriating for some people, even for some handful of NLEX fans. Pero alam mo naman na Bolly can still play make. That guy led the PBA in assists, or if not led, he was
Mm-hmm.
number two
That's
at
right.
one point because he's really talented. It's just more of maybe at malapit na sila dun sa partnership nila ni Coach Joe na maybe they're gonna reach that point na okay, makuha na nila isa't isa. It's still taking some time, as nakita natin with that
Yeah.
upset loss to the Rain or Shine and Last of Painters. But that's your daily dose of segment of
Hey, hey,
NLEX,
hey,
boys.
hey,
That's
hey,
it.
hey.
Tapos na. I caught myself again. Go,
I
Graham,
love
set
the
up mo ko, ah.
passion. I love the passion, the enthusiasm. Your eyes were glowing like you're describing
NLEX talk!
the love of your life, man. Like, and like talk in the finals, what? But I really wish Mario is here, man. Like he
Sinet
would
up
have
mo
cut
ko.
you off. He
Sinet
would
up
have
mo
cut
ko,
you off
loko ka.
5 seconds in. But hey, all I'm saying is Don Trollano's best game is probably a mid game for Robert Bolick. But man,
Actually, yes.
he was so good. Don Trollano, especially in the fourth, when they needed baskets, di ba? N1 layup, cutting layup, finger roll, three-pointer in the corner. He was just killing San Miguel. When the game really was begging to be won by both teams. Parang the basketball gods were saying whoever makes a shot wins it, because remember Ruela missed the layup, diba? Trollano missed the game. This could have been a record for the most number of makeable layups missed in a finals game, because both teams just can't make any baskets in the fourth. But hey, Don Trollano to the rescue on offense, and Chris Ross on defense. That guy is just something else, bro. He Chris
That guy
Ross,
is something else.
if
Agree.
Chris Ross somehow retires, I think he has a career in mind reading. This guy knows what's gonna happen on the basketball court, on the
Grabe yung mga steals
defensive
yun, no?
ends.
Yung sa mga
He
passing lane.
he anticipates so well, Nico, na I'm watching, di ba? I'm watching. And ako napepeki ako eh. Siya hindi eh. He's there and he's processing everything and nakukuha niya pa rin yung mga bola. He was just so amazing. I'm so lucky Coach Teo learned to use him again after game 7 versus
Mm-mm.
'di ba, in the semifinals, because he deserves the starting role. And I don't think we're gonna see that starting role change unless someone really struggles for San Miguel. But the guard lineup of CJ and Chris Ross will be starting until the very end for the Beermen. And that is a very deadly duo, especially if CJ gets going, because he's given us two Aster classes as of right now. Di ba?
Oh, Graham, tapos 'di ba, we have seen how Chris Ross, yung mga, 'di ba, last three games is being used in the fourth quarter. Babad na babad siya
Mm-hmm.
na ngayon. There was even a point na he did not play. Remember,
Yeah,
I think
game
that
six.
the game six, and that was, I think, what lit the fire under him, or the fire was always there.
Mm-hmm.
It just needed some extra oil na binuhusan. Nakita
Mm-hmm.
niya, kaya pala ni Eli eh. Mas
Yeah.
kaya ko yan. And he
Yeah.
did. And he kept on piling up those games na
Sunod-sunod
it,
ah.
nasunod-sunod na it has his imprints all over it. Chris Ross
Oh,
reminded us once again that he was one of the best point guards back then in the PBA.
that's right. And he's if you think about it, like 10 years ago, if I asked you, Nico, who do you think will be, who do you think will be the member of the Death Five na parang hindi na kilala 10 years from now? I would have said Chris Ross.
Ako rin, masasabi ko rin Chris
Di
Ross.
ba? Kasi
Eh,
Cabagnot was at his peak. Arwin, coming off an MVP season 2 years ago in 2015. At that point, Junmar's on the rise for sure.
mm.
Marcio, best two-way guard at that point in the PBA. Di ba? Chris Ross, the easy option. And he's the second best player left out of the three in the Death Five.
Oh, ito, Graham. Bouncing on what you said about Chris Ross having a career resurgence, no, having this kind of playoffs, whatever happens. Uh, do we think Hwami Chongson is unplayable in the next 5 games? I feel like Hwami Chongson is just good for 10 to 12 minutes, my guy. I don't think you can trust him to play more than 15 minutes. His defense is atrocious. Even though he's a plus
Mm-hmm.
5 in this game, that's not really the whole story.
No,
You
those
could see
are
how
the
Jordan
numbers.
Heading was finding his found his confidence
Yeah.
whenever it's Wami Chongson guarding him. And it's hard to say that. I liked Wami from his days with Terra Firma.
Ganun, yeah.
I was this close to buying a Wami Chongson jersey and Stephen Holt jersey and Isaac Go jersey. Wanted to complete those trio. Sila yung big three nun sa Terra Firma. All
Yeah.
because of that magical run. But I think, Graham, the negatives outweigh the positives right now, if you ask me.
That's right. That's the best decision you made in your life. Do not buy a Terra Firma jersey, bro, because any star,
Defunct na.
well, that one. And number two, any star would have been shipped to you know where, di ba? So, no, do not buy that. Wait mo na lang na kunin na sila ng mother team nila. But hey, um, you, it's very hard to justify putting Wami Chongson in the game right now because you
Mm.
have you have Chris Ross, you have CJ Perez, you have Marshall Lassiter, and you have Jericho Cruz. Yung palang apat na yung solve ka na eh. None of those are liabilities on defense. Wami is the only liability on defense sa backcourt na San Miguel. And they say na if you want to get going, diba, go to the free throw line so you can see the ball go in the basket. No, if you want to get going, get Wami Chongson on switch. And then you for sure, my man, either will go to the free throw line or score a basket because that guy cannot defend. He's how do I say this nicely? He's a downgraded RJ. He's the downgraded number 4 from
Downgraded number 4. Okay, okay.
diba, no? He's a downgraded number 4. Because at least number 4, when he explodes, diba? He's gonna give
Dire-diretso.
you sunod-sunod talaga yan. But I think he's a better playmaker than number 4 at this moment in their career. But to give credit, number 4 is just a rookie. So
Mm.
hey, the matchup just doesn't bode well with Wami Chongson in this series because outside of Jordan Heading, kakainin ka talaga ng buo ng guards ng team. Actually, Jordan Heading will eat you alive in a different way. I'm saying if you get Heruela on a switch, how will he guard Heruela? Not even
Pero
mentioning
it's too
Pogoy,
big.
di ba? Heruela is too big. And then
Siya ba yung walking fridge natin? It's our walking
the walking
fridge.
fridge, di ba? Merch coming. Heruela and
Merch
then
coming. Abangan, abangan.
yeah, Pogoy, Oftana. When those people get you off the switch, say goodbye to those 2 or 3 or 4 points, Wami Johnson, because you're gonna get eaten alive. Now, it's not saying that he doesn't have a place on the court. I think he just needs to go get going on offense. The problem is he doesn't get going on offense. What did he have in game one? He had 4 points, 1 of 4 shooting, -11. In game two, he had Siwami Chongson 4 points again. So he's averaging 4 points +5 though. 15 minutes on 2 of 4 shooting. So he's not getting the shots that they normally used to get. Because this is the finals, bro. Like, araw-araw ito na yung makikita mo eh. Hindi na tayo iba-ibang opponent na pwede mong bulagain. Like this team with a coach as good as Coach Chot. Hindi mo na to pwedeng mabigla-bigla na, we're surprised Wami played that well. Because they already know what your tendencies are. So he's gonna have a hard time finding his spot in the rotation again. Unless he gets a breakout game where he scores 30,
Mhm.
he's gonna have a hard time seeing the court the way he used to from the elimination round to the semifinals.
So, wala na pag-asa yung yung Wami Chongson for Finals MVP ko
Wala na
na
bro, ako nga Marshall Lassiter, di ba? Marshall Lassiter, parang mas malala pa yung Marshall Lassiter pick ko kaysa kay Wami Chongson. Wami's averaging 4 points. Si Marshall is what's Marshall Lassiter averaging in these finals? 5.5 points. So
Pero si
we're
Marcio, Graham, alam mo yung he'll just have a Marcio Lassiter game.
oh yeah, yeah.
Nangyayari yung mga ganun eh.
Beware. Beware. Don't let him make his first 3-pointer. It's gonna rain on you na he, he's 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 being kept in San Miguel for a reason. I don't mean this in a disrespectful way, but James Yap was let go, Danny I was let go, Danny Siegel was let go, Don Ontiveros was let go. Marshall Lassiter stays, man. Marshall Lassiter stays for a reason.
That's their Klay Thompson eh, no? Si Marcio Lassiter.
Without the who's
Without the
Klay Thompson?
off-court
Oh,
generational run.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Man. Good job. I was about to get canceled with
Alam
the
ko
words that
yan.
I was about to
Alam ko
use,
yan.
but man, yeah, thank you, Nico.
Generational run
That
of
that guy
Klay Thompson.
that
Off the
guy's
court
so lucky.
continues.
That guy's so lucky, man. That guy's so lucky.
Feel ko magkaka-Klay Thompson resurgence era tayo na 2015, 2016 Klay gonna give you 22 5 and 3 with 45% shooting from 3 because of
It's
that
either that,
stallion.
it's
Bagged
either
himself a stallion.
it's either that man or he gets the curse, not the Kardashian curse, but you know what I'm saying.
Oh, Different podcast yan. Ito, Grem. Ah, this segment, what went wrong for TNT? Ay, first to third quarter kasi ang ganda, ang maganda yun eh. Maganda yung flow ng TNT, especially Calvin Oftana. Ayun,
Mhm.
nung fourth quarter, especially in the last 3 minutes, they were rushing things. Hindi rin nakatulong na
Got hurt.
Poy Aram's ankle injury looked horrible. 'Di ba? The way it twisted, parang yung ankle niya tumama pa nga sa floor at some point eh.
Looks like that, man.
And there was a video na nakita natin dun sa Spin or One Sports. I'll just say both na lang kasi I don't know which video kanino yun para lang safe tayo.
Uh,
He was being helped out. He was in a wheelchair. Tinulungan siya to enter his car. Tinulungan siya, 'di ba? Kasi hirap talaga
yeah.
siya and that's what happens when you have a really bad ankle sprain. Unlike yung mga grade 1 ankle sprain na you can still wear your shoes, you can
Ika-ika ka, di
walk
ba? But
mag-isa. Pero to be in a wheelchair, Graham, hindi ko alam kung this is one of the tactics of TNT again to confuse us na
ayun.
Japet, Poy, magano ka? Use the wheelchair, pakita mo na hirap ka na papasok ng kotse para ma-throw off yung kalaban. Magplano sila na, okay, walang Poy Eram. And then we're gonna see him start or we're gonna see him have
I'm
a
not
10 and 10 and 3 blocks in game
not
3.
falling for it, man. I'm not
Nasan
falling
ka
for
dun
it.
sa Poy
I'm
Eram
not
injury?
falling
Pero
for it.
best wishes
Well,
to Poy
I know.
Eram.
Yeah, of course, that's the first thing.
Uh,
Speedy recovery, boy.
Speedy recovery, yes, for sure.
I know na there's bro, halos dumikit talaga nga eh, yung ano niya. Yung what do you call that? Yung bukong-bukong.
Yung ano, yung
Oo,
outer,
yung
basta yung
buto na
knuckle
yung
ng ankle.
basta yung
Hindi
buto
kami
yung
doctor,
bukong
by the way. Oo, basta
bukong-bukong
yun.
yung tawag dito sa Tagalog eh.
Ano,
Halos
ano tawag
dumikit
sa
na
term na yun?
bukong-bukong nga tayong tawag dun sa
Oh,
sa
okay.
floor. Uh man, that looked painful. That
Mm-mm.
really looked painful. So to to see him not even put any weight in dun sa ano, sa ankle na yun. 'Di ba nung
Oo.
tinayo siya, isang paalan talaga yung inaano niya
Hirap
eh.
talaga siya. You could
Talon-talon
see na
talaga siya. And
he was hopping.
Poyeram is a big guy, 'di ba? So we have to also include this weight, although he's kind of uh ano siya, fit siya for his height. He's not hindi siya mataba. But man, to be put in your car, to be helped be put in your car. I hope he has a driver. That's one thing.
I'm sure na malaraw siya papabari.
Okay,
Siya yung
all right.
papabari.
But
Wait,
wait,
technically
but
kung
based on that,
automatic naman. Wait, left ankle ba yun?
no, right. It's right.
Oh, hindi
I
siya
don't know.
makakamaneho ng ganun,
Was
men.
it left? Was it left?
Wait.
Hold on. Let me
Poy,
check.
Eram, ankle injury.
While
So,
you're looking at it, man, when he was put in his car, was he on the driver's seat, the passenger seat, or the back seat?
right foot, bro. Right foot.
Yun nga. Where was he? Saan siya pumasok? Right?
Graham, hindi siya
Driver side?
sa budget ng TNT at naman sa sweldo naman ni Poy Eram. Siguro mga kaya niya magbayad ng driver. Especially at the time na yung right foot pa yung pinapakan mo ng pedal. Di ba?
I'm
Hindi ako
gonna give
nung ako na right ankle sprain ako, di ako makamaneho na
I
maigi,
know
bro.
kasi bro, we're nandito tayo sa Pilipinas, we drive with the right foot, 'di ba?
Oo.
Sa automatic cars. But hey, all I'm saying is I won't be surprised if he plays game 10. Hindi ko tinatawa na injury ni Poy, guys. Natawa naman yung TNT. Kasi these guys are liars. These guys are liars. You're I don't think we have seen the last of Poy in this series.
If you feel
Oo. And I hope I'm not wrong. Not because para lang ma-justify ko na liars talaga yung mga naglalabas na report ng TNT. But
mind
just
games
because,
yan, bro. Coach Chok
oo,
mind games.
that is true. But just because this won't be complete without him. That with everything that he brings, negative and positive, a final series will not be complete without Poyeram. I am so lucky. I'm so thankful, rather, that San Miguel siya na injure versus if the other team went in the finals.
Mm-mm.
Because you would have seen how rude those people are if they see Poy Eram down. I'm not one of those people. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not one of those people. But there are people who wish Poy Eram terrible things from that specific fan base. So
Ay,
I'm happy.
kilala ko yun. May dalawa nga sa podcast na yun dito. Di ko alam kung sino yung...
No, I'm telling you, man, I'm not that guy who wishes Poy Eram terrible
Oh
things.
yeah, I
But
know. You're okay with Poy Eram.
I'm okay
Alam ko
with
yan.
Poy Eram off the
Oo.
court. Yes, on the court, yun, naiinis ako. Syempre, I'm a fan of that team, diba? But hey, all I'm saying is, if yung team na yun yung pumasok sa finals, you would have probably heard people na pagtawanan siya, which is the last thing that you want to see when a player goes down. It doesn't matter how much you hate that player. Probably ako, outside of Zaza Pachulia, um,
Outside of Jojo Machulia.
because I'm a Spurs fan.
Oo nga pala,
But
yung
but
ano, yeah.
hey, all I'm saying, man, speedy recovery to Poy. Uh, whatever TNT says, I'm not gonna believe it. But he's a big loss for them. Especially Kelly's also not 100%. It was they're left with Kelly and who's the other guy? BGR and
Yeah.
Galinato. So the drop off between Galinato and Eram is so big, di ba?
That is that's comparing the 30th floor to the first floor. Malayo ang Poy Era to
Sobrang
Galinato.
layo. Sa itsura,
Oo, Galinato tayo pag
yeah,
ganun.
yeah.
Kung sa
Poyera's a
itsura,
fine man, bro. We're glazing him right now. Um, all I'm saying, bro, is malayo yung
glazy.
malayo yung drop off but uh that's why you get those big men, diba? That's why you have a compilation of big men. You still have Kelly and BGR. It's just that Kelly's also hurt. So
Here's what I'm gonna tell you, Graham, no? If Poy in the games, sabihin natin, in the games that Poy Eram will not play, sabihin nga natin the
game
reports are
3.
really true that he cannot play. If he does not play, I don't think TNT wins those games without Apoy Eram. I do not think TNT can sustain another injury as big as this. Maybe an injury to Barkley Ebonia. Yes. Maybe an injury to Paul
Where will
Barilla.
they get injured?
Yes.
How will they get injured? They're not seeing minutes, man.
Or maybe an injury to Henry Galinato. Pwede pa. Pero Poy Eram is such a huge impact para sa TNT. He brings so much to the table. He's been composed all throughout. In the paint. He's danger. He makes it respectable for everyone. They're not just gonna attack. They're gonna think twice whenever Poy Eram is there. They're not gonna forget about that length, that presence he brings inside, despite being 20 50 to 30 pounds lesser than Junmar. And that's another body to throw at the GOAT. Junmar, you really need to throw everybody at him by committee. The Kelly Williams of the world, BGRs, and Eram. And if you remove Eram there
And
and his
Aram is
length,
is an elite shot blocker, man.
exactly.
He reads people attacking the rim. In credit also, by the way, credit to BGR, no? Couple of spectacular block shots in game 2. But hey, I hate you, Nico. You set me up for this. I was preventing myself from saying, but I'm gonna say it now. If Poy Aram
Mm.
doesn't play another game, by the way, TNT fans, I'm gonna give you the clip na ano, tatawanan niyo na naman.
Well, Graham, they're not watching. They lost today.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Well,
hey,
sige, go. Bigay mo na rin yung clip.
if you watch and pagtatawanan niyo ako, didikit niyo sa picture ko, if Poy Eram doesn't play another game in this series, game 1 was the last game TNT won.
I
Like,
think we can agree there, no, Graham? That's our hot take for the day na if Poy Eram is
oh,
not there, we feel like I think that's a nail in the coffin. Kasi
and
grabe na yung injuries na sustain ninyo. And especially at the big man spot, kung very crucial pa in stopping
yun.
BGR. Unless you get 30 points from Calvin and Pogoy, then
Yeah.
maybe, sige,
Yun
you need
nga,
explosions
brother.
from those two.
Kasi, sabihin siguro ng mga tao, OA nyo naman. Pang ilan ba si Poy Eram na best player in TNT right now? Fifth? Sixth? Something like that? Between fourth to sixth, di ba?
Laking tulong kasi ni
But,
Poy,
but,
bro.
but
The
hey,
intangibles of Poy.
yung pwesto niya kasi, yung binabantay niya yung the GOAT, di ba? He,
Mm-mm.
he, he has a big body. He is tall. He has 6 fouls to give. And those 6 fouls save Kelly and BGR for both yung win to guard Junmar and
Mm-mm.
also the fouls. So he's really big. Any of those three na mawala sa TNT, especially when they're up against San Miguel, this is difficult kasi loaded din yung front court ng kabila. Hindi naman to yung tinalo na San Miguel sa semis di ba? Na isa lang yung legit na big man. Actually, isa lang yung legit na big man, yung number 1. Yun lang,
Mm-mm.
that's the only one who plays like a big. So all I'm saying, man, is this is really, really painful, literally and figuratively, for Poy Eram kasi he's so important in this series versus San Miguel. And I'm just sad to see him being helped both outside of the court and get into his car. But hey, Poeram, game 3, best player of the game. Yung
Ako,
gambling
Grem, umaasa pa rin
smoke
ako sa
screen.
TNT smoke screen.
Yeah. This is the thing if you're a TNT fan, you will parang
Umaasa
alam mo yun,
kayo.
yung
Please!
the boy who cried wolf. Parang
Oo.
yung parang sasawa ka na kasi puro sila kasi
Coach
numalingan. Like
Shot did it
umaasa ka na,
again!
umaasa ka na lalaro sa Eram. You may not. All I'm saying is this is too big.
Although, Grem,
Um,
may chance na siguro maglaro si Poy kasi this is the finals. I think they're gonna be like, kaya mo ba lumakad? Kaya mo pa? Go ahead and go out there.
hey,
Just
hey,
stand and
hey,
raise
man,
your hands.
I'm telling you, bro. If
Oh,
Poy Eram again plays in this series, may kakilala talagang manggagamot yung TNT sa Mount Banahaw dun sa sa
kailangan,
Quezon. Like
kailangan
we
natin,
have to invest there. We have to put a tracker sa car
kailangan natin ng
that TNT is
investigation.
that this doesn't make sense if Poyeram still manages to come back. But to answer your question, your first question, what went wrong with TNT?
Mm-mm.
Arner Pugoy. It
Oh yeah, our Pogi was
literally
bad,
felt
yeah.
like they didn't have RR Pugoy in this game. He played what 24 minutes. Ano ulit yung sabi nila sa minutes restriction ni RR? 4-4-4-4, di ba? Parang mga
Parang
60 to
ganun.
20 minutes, parang gano'n.
Yeah.
That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. But
25 nga ngayon eh.
20, di ba? 24, 25 minutes. Um, but hey, they did not feel him. Kabuntin, although he hit a big three, di ba, to tie the game at 77, didn't feel like he was there too. I didn't feel his presence. In CC as usual, only 7 points, di ba? On and off.
Mm-mm.
But hey, again, TNT always has the capability of exploding, but when they don't explode, um, a team like San Miguel can beat them easily. And you can argue na San Miguel could have won this game by a bigger margin, diba? But
Agree.
you know, if Jordan Heading didn't go Malik Beastie mode in the dying seconds with that layup.
Mr. Mali. Uy, may nakita akong video na ang galing si Pablo Torre. He did like a full 1 hour investigative thing to the Michael Beasley
Mm,
gambling scandal. Send ko sa'yo mamaya. Something you can watch. Siguro
yeah.
when you wake up later. Yung something you can play in the background.
In the
Maintriga ka.
sa aeroplano pagpunta ko na Iloilo, yeah, I'll do
Yeah,
that.
yeah, exactly. Listen to it and you'll be like, wow. Basta magets mo mamaya. That's
I
off
will.
off off topic. But yeah, guys, check out nyo yung
Yeah, all I'm saying
Michael
is
Beasley,
I
Pablo
think the
Torre
ano,
video. Yeah.
I think the spread was as SMB minus 6.5. It was an 8 point game and Jordan
You
Heading
see the
somehow
Jordan
lowered.
Heady just racing down the
Yeah,
court like,
it's like and
that's
this
like the Michael Beasley one, di ba?
that
Yung from a free throw against the Clippers.
yeah. You know,
I,
I'm
we're,
just
we're,
saying.
ano, by the way, we're just playing around, guys. Wala kaming sinasabi. We just like to
Yeah,
poke
we're not
fun
saying.
into that last basket by Jordan Heading. But a
Unless
lot
it's
more pressure, no? Like kidding aside, no? A lot more pressure on Jordan Heading to help out if we're gonna see this version of RR Pogoy in the
mm,
next few games. Simon and Ciso, I feel like we need to reduce his minutes. Coach Shot, minus 13 in 22 minutes.
he's ano,
Mm.
he's their Wami Chongson.
Yeah, Wami Chongson plays more minutes than what most people want. No, I'm a Kim Maurin fan. Maybe I'll give 5 more minutes to Kim Maurin, Grim.
Than in Sisa.
Then in season, try it out. Try it out for
Have
game
they
three.
have they reached si Simon and si Wami? Have they reached Ahan Misi level of
Di
being
pa naman, di pa
unplayable? Di
naman, di
pa.
pa naman.
Ahan
Iba yung
Misi.
iba yung maahan Missy. You guys
Sorry,
literally lost
zero
the fight.
zero 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 ano pala? 0-0 level of playing.
Yeah, pero Han Missy kinda lost you guys the finals last time.
In
Like
game
in game.
7
Yeah nga, ito wala
against
pa naman to
SMB.
eh. If this happened in a game 7 na ultimate stinker, then yes. Pero if it's game 2, Grem,
Ano?
it's wala pa tayo sa levels na yun. Wala pa tayo sa magnitude na yun. At kung
This
mag game
is
7 naman, baka mag game 7 Glenn Kubuntin eh.
yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. But hey, this is the farthest Wami Chongson has played in the PBA, right? Dahil nasa Terraform na
Yes.
siya. Okay. So I'm gonna cut him some slack na parang,
Mm-mm.
okay, he's learning. He's learning. Although he's not a rookie, he used to be the main point guard for Ateneo, but this is the PBA na rin, diba? So,
This is different. Sa PBA finals,
oh,
it's a stage he's never been in. So,
this is probably the biggest title in contention since what? San Mig Coffee won the Grand Slam in 2014, diba? This is the
yeah, a lot
closest the
is
team has
riding on
gotten.
SMC. A lot
That
is
is right.
riding on NMC. SMC fans kasi you guys want to stop the Grand Slam. While TNT fans want to secure the Grand Slam. So, San
That's
Miguel
right.
ka, it's internally may pressure kayo na we need to stop these guys.
Mhm.
Sinasabi nila na di nila iniisip yung stopping the
No,
Grand Slam.
no.
In the back of their heads, of course you are. I feel like they're gonna have a huge bonus if they win this
First of all,
finals. Kahit
fir-
sino di
first of
ba?
all, I don't buy that. So if you're not thinking about the Grand Slam, aren't you thinking about winning the championship? Because if you win the championship, then you win the Grand Slam.
Uh,
'Di ba? Para ka lang nag-excel niyan eh. You can't mess up with the formula, magbibigay na error sa'yo. So if you look up something, ibibigay sa'yo na Excel yung hinahanap mo. Eh, if you win the title, you win the Grand Slam. Well, let's not twist our words right now.
well, Graham, sasabihin ko rin naman yung para sa bagay na. I'll say the same thing na, oh yeah, ano naman pag PR, Graham, di ba? Pag mga news reporter, you gotta think about, okay, ano yung PR na sasagutin? Ano yung gusto marinig ni boss? So, of course, gets naman
That's
natin yan.
I understand.
We just see through the smoke
I'm just
screens of
calling
both
them out.
teams.
I'm just calling them out. Hey, but I'm saying Wami Chongson, your enemy's not here. Go on, brother. Go on. Go on.
Go on, go give us a game 3 to remember and make
Yeah.
Mario not show up again for game 3.
Hey, Mario was
Graham,
ready for him, man.
game 3 prediction before we end this podcast.
San Miguel. San Miguel wins. Um,
Same. Yeah, go finish your point, sorry.
who do you think so far in the two games has been the better team? San Miguel TNT. This is not an easy question to answer
It's not an
for
easy
me.
question because game 1, it was really pointing towards TNT. They just kind of slacked off. In my opinion, game 1,
Mm-hmm.
fourth quarter, they took their foot off the pedal. They're like, laki ng lead natin. Chill tayo. And the next thing you know, they're staring at a 1 point deficit after that Mo Slam. 1 point deficit. But it shouldn't have went that way kung medyo they just kept the same intensity all throughout, 'di ba? So it
Mm-hmm.
wouldn't even go there. They could have won by 18 and this would have been a 1-1 series without a controversy looming over the clouds. I would see some comments, Grim, na dapat 2-0 yan para sa San Miguel. I'm like, no, that should have been 1-1. This is the ito talaga yung
Yeah.
dapat
We
1-1
we don't
talaga.
we don't play hypotheticals, di ba?
Oh, we
Uh
don't play hypo. Yeah. So
and
yeah.
we don't know. We don't know in the end of that game one if TNT would have made the basket still, di ba?
Exactly. Oo.
So
Pwede.
what I'm saying is I think I think SMB with Chris Ross is the better team on the court.
Mm.
So that's why I'm picking SMB to win game 3 because I don't think they're gonna go away from what happened the good things that happened to them in game 2. One thing is Chris Ross starting, diba? So I think SMB is going to win game 3 uh because they are the better team since they've already figured it out. Kasi yung TNT, the way they figured out game 1 is outside of the Moto to controversy, hot shooting, di ba? If
Mm.
San Miguel is able to defend their shooters, and again, we can bank on our Pugoy having the game 1 performance that he had. He may not have that again for all we know, kasi he's hurt. So I'm banking on SMB winning game 3. I think by 7 or more points. So if TNT is down 8 in the end, Jordan Heading will hit another layup. But hey, 7 or more points, I think, is what SMB is gonna win with in game 3. Hey, Poyera may not play, di ba? So that's why.
Yeah, Poy Era may not play. Pero ako, feel ko SMB but one possession lang. I feel
One
like it's gonna be
possession.
2 or
You're
3
good with those
points.
predictions, man. You're good with
Tapos,
those predictions.
sakto lang. Si Mario yung minsan magaling sa mga ganun eh. I feel like, Graham, it's a CJ Perez 3. It's a CJ. CJ always has one of those games na he,
He goes crazy.
he goes crazy. For all the flack that he gets, CJ Perez gave us some memorable SMB games na siya yung nagiging deciding factor on why
Mga
they won that
four-pointer
game.
niya. Favorite
Mga
niya yun sa right
four-pointer
side.
niya. Yeah,
Sa
that four-pointer right side.
elbow.
Sidestep
Oo,
four-pointer.
sidestep
Mga
4 points.
ganun.
He can do that. But hey, I agree with you. He's due for good game. He's been playing terrible since game 6 of the semifinals.
Exactly. So, we're gonna see CJ Perez have one of those games. I mean, that's a more likely thing to happen than Huami Chongson Finals MVP. Yeah. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here with Graham and Mario na nakatulog, but we'll see him for game 3 most likely. See you all next time, boys.
Adios, amigos.